Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and I'm so excited that a little shop finally got this pruning tool. It's a Parkside Cordless Pruner, 20 volt, and it comes without a battery and without a charger. It has a 3-year warranty and the model number is PAAS 20LIA1. So as I said before, it's a bare unit, no battery and charger included. Accessories: a protection cap to cover the scissors, the knives, hexagon tool and a wrench tool. Let's open it up and take a look what's inside the box. Pretty durable case. Again, the Parkside plastic case, very strong handle to carry, metal hinges to open and close it, and it closes very properly. As always, you can leave a battery on. There is some room for a spare battery and your charger. This is the protection cover for the blades, the tool. And there is a hexagon tool here, and there is a wrench tool for maintenance, and an owner's manual in multiple language, and of course your language will be there. Let's see how the protection cover works. I think it has to go on like this. Yes, I think we always have to use that. It's pretty safe because the blades are very sharp, and when you come in there with your finger you will cut it, and when the machine is on and your finger will go in there, I think you lose your finger. But we're gonna test that with a piece of hard wood or a piece of bone. I have to see what I have to test that. A rubber grip, it's pretty thick, a trigger to open and close the blade, to cut, and an on and off button. And here comes the battery. As I said before, it's in my country not included, the battery and charger. You have to buy them separately. Maybe in your country that's different, I'm not sure. My battery is not fully charged because I have been using it. Let's remove the safety cover. It won't work now because it's off, and we have here the on and off button. We simply push it, it beeps, and then it will go on. Now it's on, it's in sleeping mode, and that will say sleeping mode. The blades will be closed, and to get it out of sleeping mode, the trigger is not working now. But to get it out of sleeping mode, you push the trigger 2 times. 1, 2, and now it's ready to cut. And when you're finished, you push and hold the trigger, it beeps, and now it's back in sleeping mode. Very nice. It weighs about 2 kilos. Let's switch it off. It weighs about approximately 1.92 kilos. Something like that. I'm gonna take it outside. We cut some wood and see how it operates. Very nice. I'm so excited about this tool, and they finally have it here in the Netherlands. My question is, what if you accidentally cut your finger? Will you cut your finger off with the tool? To test it, I have 4 chicken bones. So let's see, from small to the larger ones, will it cut through? Leave a comment now if you think yes or no. So I'm outside now with the tool. I also have some older hand tools to compare and see what cuts easier. And I also have a newer Parkside hand tool with some like the same blade. So let's take it to the test and cut some wood. So this is all some fresh branches. This is about 1 centimeter thickness. The diameter is 1 centimeter, something like that. The hand tool, also at a little shop, also Parkside, costs about €3. I have to put some force in it to cut, as you can see. Let's take the Parkside pruning tool. Now it's on. And it will cost you no power or strength. Easily for the 1 centimeter wood. And I'm gonna show you the older tools. This is a brandless tool, and it's not that sharp, and I have to really put some force in there. Also, this one needs some force. So now let's do the finger test. Can it cut your finger? And I have a piece of hard bamboo. See if it will cut the bamboo. What you think? It's not that hard. Easy. Now let's try it on a piece of plywood. What you think? Will it cut? Easily. It's so strong. Has no problems with any piece of wood. So I have a piece of even a bigger diameter wood, like 2.5, and that's really a piece of wood, fresh cut. Now I got jammed. .25 millimeters, 2.5 centimeters, easy, no problem. No problem to cut it. I think I'm convinced. Remember how hard it is with the hand tool. I really have to stretch my fingers and put some force in there to cut it. With a older tool it's even harder. And with the Parkside tool It's so easy, guys. But what are we comparing? This is a €3 tool. This is €3 Parkside tool. Got some little smaller blades. And this is €60 tool without battery. €60. So the final test. Will it cut your finger? So I thought maybe with a chicken bone, smaller and bigger ones, we can test this. So let's get into that and give it a test. Easily, the smaller one easily, no problem at all. Now we have the bigger one. Now let's start here. Easily, no problem to cut your bone. So probably if you cut your finger, you will lose it. It has no problem with the bones at all. I don't know which one is bigger. I think this one is the third. Let's try the end, the thick end. You really have to watch out with this tool because it cuts the bone easily. No problem at all. Now the biggest one, and I think this is really like a finger bone. Don't know what your opinion is, but I think this is just as strong as your finger bone. Easily, no problem. You're gonna lose your finger if it is getting in there. So really watch out with this tool. It's pretty dangerous for fingers. I'm so excited about the working of this tool. It was much stronger than I expected. It was stronger than a hand tool. You could see I have to use much force to cut the branches, and the Parkside 20 volt did it so easy. So I'm very excited about it. I want to know what you think about it. Leave a comment, please. And I also want to know, what did you think of the chicken bone test, the finger test? Yeah, all that I can say, it's a pretty good product. It's worth its money. It costs only €60 and comes without the battery and charger, as I said before. Has a good hand grip, nice trigger, and yeah, only thing you have to do is watch out for the blades. Don't cut your fingers. Please leave the comment below the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And thanks for watching. Bye now.